Sounds that people sometimes get wrong.
CH and SH. CH is short and sharp. Ch, ch, ch. SH is longer and softer. Sh, sh, sh. Let's practice these together. Chip, ship. Chip, ship. Chair, share. Chair, chair. Chop, shop. Chop, shop.
T and TH. F is not F, V or D. Here are some words for you to practice. Ten, then, fen. Ten, then, fen. Tree, three, free. Tree, three, free. Taught, thought. Taught, thought. Those, does. Those, does.
V and F, V and F. Repeat after me. Fan, van. Fan, van. Fat, vat. Fat, vat. Fast, vast. Fast, vast.
R and L, and O. When you do the R sound or the sound, your tongue is in the back of your mouth, but when you do the L sound or the O sound, your tongue is in the top middle of your mouth. These are some words to practice. Rice, lice. Rice, lice. Clap, crab. Clap, crab.
Z, z. It's like a bee's buzz. Z. Let's have a go at saying this word. Zero. Zero. Now try as a pair. Zap, sap. Zap, sap. Bus, buzz. Bus, buzz. Zip, sip. Zip, sip. Zit, sit. Zit, sit. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed. Bye bye.